Dealing with persistent Instagram account bans and the frustrating ban loop has been a personal challenge for many users, including myself. After countless hours testing various solutions, I've consolidated multiple effective methods to resolve these issues, and I am excited to share these proven strategies with you right now. First, the official appeal process is crucial. This directly engages Instagram's internal review system, providing a formal pathway for human review of automated or erroneous bans. It allows for a re-evaluation of your account status based on provided evidence, essential for rectifying mistaken identity or policy misinterpretations. Next, performing an app data refresh is vital. This clears corrupted local data that might be causing persistent login errors or triggering false positives within the app's ban detection system. A fresh installation ensures you're running the latest, uncompromised version, eliminating client-side software glitches that perpetuate the ban loop. Thirdly, a thorough account security review addresses potential compromises or unauthorized activity that Instagram's algorithms might interpret as policy violations. By revoking third-party access, changing passwords, and enabling two-factor authentication, you secure your account against external threats that could be inadvertently triggering bans or maintaining the loop. This method restores trust signals to Instagram's system. Finally, a network and device check helps isolate whether the ban loop is tied to your specific network environment or device. IP address flags, device identifiers, or even cached network data can sometimes be associated with suspicious activity. Testing on different networks or devices helps determine if the issue is account-specific, device-specific, or network-specific, allowing you to work around temporary restrictions or identify a wider problem. This approach helps Instagram servers see your activity from a fresh, unflagged context, often breaking the cycle.